This is Winchester. He says, just love me. Oh, that feels so very good. Total lap dog. Just wants to be held. Just wants to be with you. He's like, oh, don't stop. Do it some more. Such a lovely boy. Oh, right there. That's a good spot. Right there. Oh, yes. Right there's good. Oh, that's good. Because I'm Winchester. And it's so good. So this boy needs his own lap, where somebody's just going to rub his body, and he's going to give you all kinds of love in return. He just wants to be held all the time. Yes, he says, just hold me, just love me. He is a, we think, Chihuahua, a poodle mix, a Chipu. Chipu. Oh, right there. Right there's this spot. Oh, right there. Oh, that's even better. Winchester. Winchester needs him a lap. Adopt this wonderful, wonderful little boy today. Oh, so good. Feels the love.